ticky-tacky night, so bright lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokri. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low, a step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back. But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Woo, see the sky. Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net. She grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up, high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing.